Well, hey, Salmon Cat Crew, how you do? How you do? Welcome back to our channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell. Alrighty, guys. So I am doing a little bit of organization. I love when stuff is organized. I am able to go to it quickly, easily, without having to push this away or push that back and wonder where this is and wonder where that's at. So, organization is the key. Let's hope it stays this way. We will see. I will chit chat with you guys at the end of the video. All righty. yeah, I am finished. Yay for me. Whew. Thought I was gonna never get through, but I made it by the grace of God. All right, so let's it right here in this bin, y'all. Those are some canned goods. Those will be the ones that we will start with first. Corn, string beans. Some people call them green beans. We call them string beans. And sweet peas. Yeah, let me show y'all. Yeah, green beans. I grew up calling these string beans. So same thing. Once those cans are finished, then I will stock up, put some more in there. Right here, I got some sausages and some tilapia. There go to Roger Wood. Y'all know we love Roger Wood. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I love tilapia. I prefer it baked, but I take it fried. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. All right, so next there's the Frosted Flakes cereal. And this was a big box, but look, y'all, everything fit right in there. So, yep, that won't last long. On to the rice. I'm so glad I was able to get all the rice in there, because at first it looked like it wasn't gonna fit, but with the help of a shaky here and a shaky there, we made it. And then the other small one, I got some rice in that one as well. Got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the tall jar and the small one. And then right here, this is a little snack corner. When you get a snack, water come along with it. Snack, water. If you get a snack and no water, you might as well put the snack back, because it don't work like that. So that's how that goes with that. All right, so right here, my little seasoning station. I have the honey. Now on this side, this is the stuff that's open, that's already used, and hopefully the husband get the memo, use the one that's open first, okay? I may have to put a little sign there. So yeah, hopefully he does. Y'all know about this Kinder. I don't know how many times I can say Kinders. If you haven't tried Kinders, try it. Oh my goodness, you won't regret it. I do have some Kinders family members. When I say family members, I mean YouTube family members. They know what I'm talking about when we talk about this Kinder seasoning. Could I get an amen? Yes. Okay. All right, so the Kitchen Bouquet. Y'all let me know if y'all tried Kitchen Bouquet. It's just a browning seasoning. Like say if you were, wanted to like give your rice a little color, or if you're doing some brown rice or something like that, that would be your go-to Kitchen Bouquet. Okay, and then over here, last but not least, this is the Zatarain section right here. Y'all, if you have not tried Caribbean rice, please do so at this time. Thank you. This is some good rice. Oh my goodness, yes it is. You could shrimp, y'all, chicken, oh my gosh, steak, oh my goodness, just whatever your heart desires to go with this rice. But please try it if you have not. Thank me later. All right, and then oatmeal, and I try to keep a pack of these in stock, y'all, because sometimes you want that little quick mashed potato. Sometimes you don't feel like taking that what you call it, little mashed potato mashing that potato. Sometimes you just want to whip it sometimes. So that's why I keep me some packs of mashed potatoes in my little basket from time to time, child, because everybody have those moments. We all have those nights where we like, you know what, it's gonna be a quick meal, okay? Yeah. So anyway, all right, y'all, so that's it. I have done my little organization for today. And as always, because y'all already know what it is, as always, we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.